I tried to do this once. I don't know why the camera just stopped. But as you can see, this is on the highest setting, 64 degrees Fahrenheit. We got this for our neighbors. They have an attic area in their cabin that gets really hot. They did us a bunch of favors, so we're doing this. So display on the front, so you can see that if you're in bed or far away. And the display up top. There's lighting. So change. You can do high, medium, low, auto. Adjust the temperature settings, dry, cool, and just the fan, and then power off. And as you're powered off, I'll show you what this is again. You heard it on the highest, and there's the fan. It does have a safety catch internally, but I'll show you this once it turns all the way off. The exhaust, I think you could run it without an exhaust. However, it does have window seals, different options for that. So this would be facing outside right here, clip into that, and then this would go on the back of the unit here. Boom. Right there. So again, the other thing is it's pretty heavy, but it does have wheels. So if you were to move it around, you'd be all right. I think it's going to end up being stationary. But as you can see, when it's off, it's a real sleek unit, right? So it's like you power it up, and then it opens to fan, which I think is pretty slick. And again, the display on the front, display on the back is pretty awesome. I'll get some pictures of just straight measurements for you. It's pretty small for the power that it is. I mean, it's kicking cold air out right now, and it's not even exhaust fed, so pretty darn good. Long power cord too.
I got this actually several hours earlier than predicted, which is awesome. But it was very easy to unpack. The bottom foam was relatively hard to get off because I had to do it by myself. Very quick setup, and right now it's on a turbo setting. And so it's cooling about 1,000 square foot living room very quickly. But very easy. Instructions are very good. I recommend it.
So it's about 80 degrees outside. This has been running for about an hour. I did not properly install it. I just set it up quickly. I think it's pretty quiet. If you have a window air conditioning unit and you live in New York City, it's pretty quiet. It does have a little hum, but other than that, I think it's pretty good.
A brand new air conditioning system that we've set up in our garage because we don't have air conditioning in here. It was pretty simple to set up. It took one screwdriver and everything snapped into place. And it's keeping a room of about 600 square feet nice and chilly.